Wow. Hi guys. My name's Andrew and this is really heavy. Oh, and we got Sonic. He's doing really good. Okay, let's just scoot Sonic over there and you can watch us. So guys, today we're going to be looking through all of my seeds. And guys, some of these seeds are older than me. So, as we know, these ones are older than me. So these are just ones that we're going to look at later, and for now, just put them aside. This one got a lot. Corn. As we can see, we got carrots. And you'll see tape, as we used these last year, if you remember. And if we take them out, we're running out, so we're gonna get some more. And let's go put that. Let's just, sit up right there. And guess what we have? More carrots. And there are also more seed tape. We have a bit more than we had in those ones, but we're still running low. Broccoli, always eat your vegetables. Got some spinach, yummy. Peppermint. Green beans, yummy. Ooh, those are some pretty red carrots. Orange, I can tell. We got some radish. We got some cucumbers. So these cucumbers are actually cool because they're round and because they're lemon cucumbers. Fun. And then we just got some more beans. Kohlrabi. Rainbow blend carrots. These are radishes from raw seeds. These raw seeds, we get a lot of our seeds from there. Oh, we also saw them at the farm show. We got some more beets. Yeah, beets. We got white kohlrabi. We got peas. And we got cucumbers. Tomato. Tomato. We got some pepper and cabbage, pumpkin, eggplant, cabbage, cantaloupe, tomato, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, black eye, Susan single mixed colors. We got lettuce and more lettuce. We got squash. And we got radish and some beets and watermelon. White kohlrabi, cucumbers. We got dinosaur kale. We got red Russian kale. We got some beans. These beans grow up a pole, and these bush beans grow up a bush because it's literally called a bush bean. Okay, we got some olive green broccoli. We got some cucumbers. We got a lot of cucumbers. Flowers, more cucumbers. Oh my goodness. We got some carrots. Guys, we still got a lot to go. Well, we still got a lot to go. Have you guys looked at your seeds yet? Because as you can tell, we are ready this year. Because we still got a lot. Okay, so we got some more peas. We got our corn, which we still got a lot of. We got some Swiss chard. Okay, we got some Koval F1 spinach. We got rosemary. We got lavender, some flowers. So guys, we're gonna put the radishes together, carrots together, the tomatoes together, and guys, I'm probably gonna buy more, but I gotta tell you, we're not gonna need to buy that much more. I'm gonna be doing a seed giveaway since we got so many. So make sure you comment down below what kind you want because we have so many. I'm gonna pick one of you guys, only one, to get your seeds. You can comment down below which seeds you want. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.